is Janvi
And my name is Tanvi.
and welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. As you know, April month is here and mangoes are available in the market, and you know that we can prepare so many dishes from mango, like mango shira, mango ice cream, mango cake, mango juice, mango fruity, and so on. And out of this recipes, we are going to show you an easy recipe of mango lassi. It is very yummy and ingredients used in this recipe are available at your home easily. And I wanted to tell you one thing, that she is a mango lover. Everything she needs is of mango. Flavor of cake, mango flavor. Flavor of ice cream, mango flavor. So everything mango. So today she is very happy that we are going to show you the recipe of mango lassi. So let's have a look at the recipe. So the ingredients are 2 cups of curd, 4 medium-sized mangoes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of salt. So in a mixer jar, we'll add mangoes. Then we'll add curd. And then sugar. Then milk. And a pinch of salt. Now we'll make a fine paste of this. Our lassi is ready. You can see it is thick. Now we'll pour it into a jar. You can adjust sugar as per your taste, and I have added ice cubes in this glass. If you don't have ice, you can chill this lassi in your refrigerator for 1 hour. So now we'll garnish it with some mangoes. So our mango lassi is ready. Now we'll taste it.
It's very delicious.
Yeah. So please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And also don't forget to follow and share us on Instagram, and details in the description box. Thank you.
Bye.
And bye.